What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a cool day. Me and Ireland, my son, we're going to be building the four-wheel drive RC10s. We're not going to do build videos. We're just going to do update videos. So this is just going to be our first video opening up and getting started. And pretty excited. Are you excited?
I'm pretty pumped.
Heck yeah, man. Ireland was pushing me to get this going today because I just have so many other things I was doing. I was finishing up that Trackmaster drive, belt drive video. And now we're getting excited. So I'm going with the I already have a 13.5 rccar, older rccar, and a 410R. Iron's going to pick something else out. He's not sure exactly what, but I think 13.5. Either way, we're going to go on these, and hopefully all the tips and tricks that we've been seeing people posting on Facebook and YouTube work well. Anyways, you know, this four-wheel drive kit was a little bit of controversial because Jeff Malar came out with a 1041 four-wheel drive conversion, and I believe if he didn't do that, this kit probably wouldn't be here. So, you know, thanks to Jeff Malar for, you know, just doing that alone. I wasn't able to get on that because I was out of the loop on that for a little bit, and I wish I was in and out because I have several RC10s. I got a bunch on the shelves. I could have made, plus I got the clears up there. I got a 40th. I would have converted any of those other ones for a 10.4. So if I still get one, I would do that. But you know, thanks to Jeff Malar for putting out, because I believe that because of it motivated associated, whether or not they copied part for part or not, I don't know. But I bet you they just had something to do with it. So. But yeah, so we're going to do, this is just a part one, just us getting started. We're not doing a build video, just updates. That's it. So, yep. And so I did say we're not doing a full build video, but we're just going to do updates on bags and parts as we're going. Ireland's finishing up his bag A, the steering plate, and nose plate build. But, so far, you know, it's pretty straightforward like any other RC10, but it's nice that the belt cranks are different now, you know, not like the old school. Like, it's using the more modern stuff. So alright, so we got the diffs out. We're on bag what bag are we on? What bag? B. Yeah, so it's the differential build here. So I was pulling all my bags out and I noticed my gasket's all tore up. Put it down. Yeah, it's like it actually looks like it's ripped. I don't want to open it up, but we got Team Broke gaskets. I'm going with this turquoise one. Which one are you going with?
Lime green. Lime green.
So that's what we're using. So I'll make a call on that, because that shouldn't be ripped. His is not ripped.
Mine's not too bad, but it's got one corner.
It's not ripped, but it's kind of messed up a little bit on that corner. You can see, like, it's pressed in. Mine looks ripped. Both sides look terrible. It's crazy. So that's where we're at now. So we're doing the balls and the diff, and I noticed my son's kit. Let me see.
Yeah,
Yeah, so my gears are dark brown. His are lighter. Can you?
I'm doing that. Yeah.
Just put that whole thing right there. I'll take a. Yeah, different colors. Don't know if it means anything, but whatever. All right, guys. So this is I think this is going to be the end of part one video. We got the diffs on. We're getting ready to put the spur on and the plates. But both diffs are done. I went with the teal gasket from Team Broke RC. Ireland went with the lime green one from Team Broke RC. He finished his up just now. I think we're going to pause the video now and upload this one. Will be part one. There either is going to be part two or part three, but maybe just part two, finish up. But, you know, you got to be careful with these belt guides when you're putting them on there, because if you don't put that thread, that set screw through the threaded nylon piece that goes into the gear, it'll push away and snap it. It didn't happen to us, but I've heard people having that issue. So you just got to be careful. Go slow. Put your Loctite inside the hole on the gear, and it wouldn't be an issue. But other than that, everything's pretty smooth, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't. These screws here were a different size. They weren't metric, as far as I know. I got to check them again. We had to use.
There's no Phillips screws either.
Yeah, we couldn't use any of these because none of them fit. I don't know why.
But for the chassis, they're no Phillips. They're all the hexes.
Yeah, there's no Phillips obviously either. Like the regular 40 anniversary or the classic. It's using the hex pan screws. So, but that's it. That's part 2. Diffs are done. We're just got to put the spurs on and then continue on. So part 2 will come, or part 3 after one of them. So, all right, guys. Thanks a lot. Like, subscribe, hit that notification. See you later, Ireland.
See ya.